Hello, I'm Booklordofthedings, and if you have been looking into the Beef programming language, you might come across the question of how you can add libraries and other code to your project so that you can import them with a using statement. This is supposed to help you and get a quick view on how you can do this. For one, you can open the project. You need to find the .toml file of the project you want to import, and then click on that and select Open. Another way you can do this is if you use the beef libs folder, which is going to be created in your beef installation. If you install beef somewhere, maybe on your C drive, you would find it in C programs, Beeflang, and then beef libs. If you paste your program there, you can add it via right click on the workspace and do add from installed. Now you have to right click on the project that you're currently using, go preferences, dependencies, and then tick the boxes for the libraries you want to import or you want to use in your project. Go hit apply, OK, and then you can go back to your code and use them via the using statement. That was the quick guide of how to do this in Beef. I hope this was helpful for you, and I hope that I'll see you soon in other videos that I'm going to do on this language. Bye!